Welcome back to the channel, you guys. It is moving week and I have a ton of things that I need to do. If you're not caught up on my channel, hello, my name is Tina. I'm a DIYer and also the co-owner at Studio Calm. We just moved to Orange County all the way from Chicago and I just did a full empty house tour of our new home. So if you missed that, make sure to go back and watch it. There is so much for us to do in today's video. We're going to be moving in. I'm going to show you a mood board of what I'm thinking of doing for our first makeover. I think it's actually starting to hit me that we are not going back to our old house and that this is our new home. The last couple of days, it's kind of felt like we've been living in a hotel or like an Airbnb or something. So now I'm like starting to process the fact that this is our new home. I have a bunch of mixed emotions about it. Of course, I'm really excited, but also it's very intimidating when I look around and everything is empty. But I've also been getting so many ideas of what I can do here as we spent more time in this home. But before we can do any of that, we have to unpack. So I'm gonna go upstairs into the garage and finally unload everything. I kind of feel like there's a pressure to make this place feel more like us right now, and I'm excited to be here, but it's definitely a hard transition to get into a new space, leave everything that was familiar to you, and get back into the swing of things when your house is completely empty.
This beer is almost 14 years old. I gave this to Tina in high school.
Look at that, 2010, so it's 13 years old.
Valentine's Day, baby. Where's my bear?
You want me to get you one?
You never got me one.
This is not gonna be fun to go through.
But I know that with time, this place is just gonna start feeling more and more like home, and we were actually able to bring a lot with us in all the boxes. We drove 4 in the car, along with 3 mailed with additional items. So for all of this stuff, we just taped it together. We got a little bit of bubble wrap that I was saving for a couple of months. And then, yeah, I was using like pajamas and stuff to wrap things around so we could save on a little bit of packing material and I could pack more clothes. So far, that is everything for the kitchen. Mostly we brought essentials and DIY supplies, but we also did bring some sentimental items and of course lots of kitchen items and things that we wanted to keep instead of replacing. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see if the plates made it. I honestly was worried that these were gonna break, but they look pretty good. Oh my god, yay. I got a couple questions asking why we didn't just move all of our furniture with us, and although we did consider it, most of them would not fit into our new place, so it just didn't seem worth it to bring a few items that might fit. So I ended up selling a majority of the items on Facebook Marketplace, and I also gave a bunch away to my friends and family, so a little bit of us is left behind in their homes, which honestly makes me really happy to think about.
The bedroom is the only place that I have to sit right now, so this is where I'm gonna go over the mood board for the space. So let me pull it up here. So I was majorly inspired by the home of the founder of Cezanne, which is a French brand. I've been seeing this photo on my Instagram feed so many times now, and every single time I see it, I bookmark it because I'm just obsessed with the tones that are going on here. The colors are really rich. It's also very warm and inviting, and it gives off that cozy feel, which I really want. So I want to sprinkle that throughout the room while still feeling light in there. And if anyone knows what that specific style is called, please let me know in the comments so that I have a reference point. I was really thinking about putting wallpaper or painting at least that wall where the TV will be, but after seeing this photo, I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. So let me know your thoughts in the comments if I should wallpaper, paint, or leave it as is. To pull in some of those tones, I wanted to do a checkered rug that is a rust color. I feel like this is very trendy, but also very classic at the same time. And along with this, I saw this beautiful coffee table, which is green, and I just really like the idea of the green. I obviously have to have some green in my house, so I'm thinking about doing a DIY coffee table that's inspired by this one that I saw online. I also have plans to DIY a little sofa table for behind the sofa as well. And on the mood board, I pulled in a few pieces from Castlery, which are coming in literally probably less than an hour now. I just thought that these pieces would go really well with my vision, and I can't wait to see them in person. I already know that they're going to be beautiful and fit the space perfectly. At least I hope it does, because I didn't get to measure out the living room before I got all the pieces, so fingers crossed that everything works. So yeah, that is the game plan for the living room, and I want to definitely carry this out into the dining room and also the kitchen somehow, which as you guys know is super gray. So if you have any ideas of how I can pull in more warmth into that space, let me know in the comments below. Okay, I just got a call that the furniture is coming in about 20 minutes. So I'm gonna count down the minutes and update you guys when they get here. Today is the second day and the first morning in our new home. I got a lot of sleep last night. I also cleaned a little bit and I'm trying to get some work done, but right now we're waiting for Wi-Fi to be set up. And also it is really exciting because today is a big delivery day. Right now I'm using one of the chairs that were outside and it is not working. So we're gonna get some bar stools. We're also getting a couch as well as a TV console. So I'm very excited to make this feel a little bit more cozy. Oh my God, this is so cute. This is so cute. I honestly can't get over this. Like, look at all that storage. Wow, 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 wow. And it's like the perfect wood tone color. I'm so excited to get this whole thing set up.
Thank you, Castlery.
We love it. Castlery's the best. The last thing I need to set up are the bar stools. So they wanted to set them up, but I told them that we wanted to do it ourselves because honestly, it's a lot of fun for me to build furniture, especially when we're just moving in. So I got 4 of their bar stools and they come as bar height or counter height, which is perfect for our island. I can't wait to set these up because these are absolutely perfect. I've been a Castlery fan for years now, but if you're not familiar with them, they are a modern furniture company that creates a story for every room in your home. These are stunning. You guys know how much I love cane webbing with black accents, so this is exactly what this is, and I'm already obsessed. Okay, this looks pretty easy, and there's levelers on this too, so that's great. Okay, let's build this thing. And when I spotted these stools on their site, I knew that they would be perfect for our kitchen island. These are the Edith Cane counter stools. You can also get them bar height. I got the black option because I knew that there was going to be a lot of black hardware in here, but it also comes in a light wood if that's more your vibe. These were really easy to build. It only took me less than 10 minutes a chair, and they also just feel so sturdy and high quality. Plus, the boucle seat cushions are actually made with a spill-resistant fabric, so it's going to be easy to clean up. And we are going to put this to the test, so I'm going to do a little spill test in a second. So this couch might look familiar to you guys because it is the same exact couch that I had in our living room. This is the Owen Chase sectional and I just love this couch so much. It is basically my dream couch. I had to have it for this house and it comes in different fabric colors now and they also have different wood tones. So even though this is a light couch, I haven't had any issues with it. But if you have kids or pets and you want a darker couch, they do have that option now. I really love the wood detailing on the legs, so I got it in natural, but it also comes in walnut, and I feel like it really makes it stand out from other couches that I've seen. I kind of have things in a good layout right now, so if you turn around, we have the Harper TV console. This actually comes in different sizes as well. This is a design that I've been eyeing for so long, and they have it as a side table as well as a sideboard. So if you love the fluted look, they do have different styles available, and ever since I saw this on their website, I was immediately obsessed with it. The doors on it are so seamless and it allows you to have it open or closed. So you're kind of getting a 2-in-1 TV console, and it's also on sale right now. So if you've been eyeing this piece as well, now is the perfect time to jump on it. And can we please talk about this armchair, you guys? I am absolutely obsessed with this thing. It's even better in person. It's super comfortable. The shape of it is so unique, and this is definitely a statement piece that I think really goes well with the vision that I have for this space. Originally, I wanted to put it next to the couch, but I don't think it's gonna fit there that well. So for now, I have it in this corner. I might leave it here, or maybe I'll move it up to the office. But yeah, I am totally in love with this, and it's also a beautiful boucle fabric. And like I mentioned, their boucle delay is actually spill resistant. So it's the same one that's on the bar stools. So I'm gonna do a quick spill test and see how this does with water. I have my water and I also have a towel ready. So let's see how this does. Oh, did you see that? It literally just rolls right off. That is amazing. I can't believe it's only been a day here and it's already starting to feel like home because I have such a beautiful setup to start with. If you want to check out any of my Castlery pieces, make sure to use my link below. And if you're in the market for new furniture or decor or even bedding, they have so many beautiful items on there and I am constantly impressed with everything that they come out with. Thank you again, Castlery. I honestly am just so happy that we have furniture and that the place is already looking amazing.
Best of luck in California.
I will definitely send that right now, Barry. Thank you so much.
Oh, okay.
Enjoy the rest of your vacation.
Thank you. Thanks so much.
All right.
Best to the two of you.
Woo! Yay! We officially have closed, baby! Let's go, babe.
Oh my God. Maybe I should wait till Brian comes back. Wow. They basically made these little perforated edges so that you can get the TV out easier. Ooh. I'm gonna wait for Brian to get home to actually get the measurements of this, but once I do, we're gonna make a frame for it, and that's really gonna elevate the space and make it feel more like a living room.
Big old TV. Ooh.
Yes. Oh.
Hello.
Which side's right though? Is it heavy?
It's not light.
Oh, there we go. Oh, this is the perfect size. Yay! We finally have a TV. Okay, this is gonna be the most satisfying thing ever. Wow, that was so satisfying. All right, so when we moved in, a lot of you asked if I was able to bring my tools, and yes, I luckily was able to fit all of my tools into a little laundry basket basically, but I wasn't able to bring the one tool that I need for this project, so let's go grab it. It's pretty easy. You just need some wood trim, or you could also use PVC trim, which I've done in the past. I think I'm gonna keep mine wood. So this is what it looks like on the side. The outside is a little bit thicker. The inside it tapers down, and I just like how simple this is. So just use whatever trim you want that will fit with your personal style. And then you just wanna cut this at a 45-degree angle. I'm gonna miter this for all 4 sides of the TV. And then we're also going to make a little outside covering for it with some lattice as well. So I just use this lattice trim, which is just a flat piece of wood. It's pretty thin. And again, you just want to miter all these edges, and I'm gonna put this all together with some brad nails and wood glue. It's so hot that I just changed into shorts, and I also have a little fan going, so let's jump into it. so good, you guys. I really love this trim. And now to actually box it in so that you won't see the sides of the TV, I'm gonna put the lattice on top. So I don't have to fill up any of these holes because it's going to cover that. And also when I'm cutting out the side pieces, I don't actually use a measuring tape to measure it out. I just put it on top of the frame, that way I can get the exact measurement. Sometimes it's trickier to get exact measurements, so I just like to do it this way, and it kind of cuts out that whole step.
The first DIY at the new house is officially in the books, and I cannot wait to get it up on the wall.
The frame is looking really good, but I can't really put it up yet because we have to wait until we mount this. But let me give you guys an idea. So here it is. That's gonna look so good on here. Oh my God. Okay, so my dilemma now is, should I stain this? Should I paint it? Should I spray paint it? I'm not sure yet. I'm planning on doing wallpaper behind this. So after the wallpaper comes in, we can actually see how this will all look together. I don't know about you guys, but mixing wood tones really doesn't bother me. I kind of like the contrast between this walnut color and this light pine color. So let me know what your thoughts are in the comments. I just can't wait to get this up because look at how good it already looks.
I'm using items we brought with us to temporarily style the living room, and this will just make it feel a little bit more lived in. This is definitely going to change once we get closer to the finish line, but we're already making such good progress, and it's already starting to really feel like home in here.
Alright, so this is a really good start to the makeover. If you have any suggestions for this space, let me know in the comments down below. In the next video, we're gonna get started on some DIYs, including building some furniture. I don't think I mentioned this in my mood board, but I also want to do a stained glass window. So we're gonna make that happen. I also ordered some wallpaper as well as a rug and so much decor that we have to add in here still. I'm just so excited to make this whole vision come to life, and I hope you guys are too. And if you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe down below so that you don't miss out on any new videos. And thank you again to Castlery for sponsoring this video. They do have a Labor Day sale going on right now, so make sure you check that out. That is it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. Stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!